Hey guys, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor, and maybe you can relate to this. I'm working on a little project here. I'm putting a new roll cage on my side-by-side there in the background, and I needed a bolt. I needed 4 bolts with this round head on it to fit in a tight spot. About $3.75 at Home Depot. So I ran over to Home Depot, and while I was there looking through stuff, I said, well, I found these safety, like for a hitch pin, so the trailer hitches, I'm gonna put those on the trailers tomorrow because somebody lost the other ones. And then my guy this morning had his trim router he keeps on the van went bad, and he wanted to know if he should spend time trying to fix it. And I said, no, I'll just go buy a new one. It's $59. And then while I was there, I got a compact blower to take with me on the side-by-side to blow off the dust off of stuff when I stop. And while I was there, and then the guys were talking about chop saws. They need a chop saw. So I went over, and Rigid has got this guy right here that'll cut up to 16 inches in a cross cut. We cut a lot of 14-inch top shelf, and the chop saws that we have only cut 12. And I said, well, that's not bad. And then it was on sale for $100 off. So instead of $4.99, it was $3.99. But wait, there's more. I kid you not. They come with this, so everything's still in the box, but the table with the wheels and everything that it mounts on, if you buy the saw, that's free. So I went and spent $3.50 and left spending about $1,200, but it was all on sale, so it was a good deal. So if you need a new chop saw, go see Home Depot. Don't go to the one in Lincoln because I cleaned them out. They don't have any left. But yeah, one of those evenings.